performance. We even saw, there in France where two white men were playing for France President Macron and Tinubu. They were playing one of Psquare, testimony.
Dancing the Biafra
Yes, they were
dance.
dancing. So what can you say as regards?
God bless you. God bless you, my viewers. Look at it. Look at how it's going. Look at the way it's going. In Finland, look at how sweet every occasion is going. Look at how the celebration is moving. Look at the Psquare. Look at Phyno. Look at, oh my God, Flavor. See how they are preparing. See how they are demonstrating. And look at Evangelist Bear. The Biafran evangelist is smiling because there is joy. Finally, it came to pass. What is impossible has become possible. Look at it. I learned that Macron, including Bola Ahmed Tinubu, in France, they were dancing in collaboration of what is going on in Finland. Though. Yes, in collaboration with what is going on in Finland. Dancing Psquare.
So was not dancing to what?
Yes, now. Don't you listen to the song? It was Psquare. The both of them are dancing. And Psquare is performing in Finland and they are in France dancing. You understand? That's only her name. You understand me? It's part of what Biafra is a place of joy. Tinubu is already rejoicing. Tinubu is already dancing for Biafran celebration. Biafran Republic, the United States of Biafra. Hello? Restoration of Biafra is something that everybody in the world will be happy about. Tinubu with Macron are giving us an example. The two presidents have started it. So, and I myself, the Biafran evangelist, I am part of them now. I've joined them because the cruise. Hey, everybody have their own step, dancing step. Are you getting me? Tinubu cannot dance like me. I can dance. Everybody with their own freestyle. You understand me? Look at the Baba himself, rocking it.
You want Tinubu to join you guys celebrate?
No, I did not say Tinubu should join. Tinubu has already joined. Don't you watch his dancing step? Don't you watch Macron? Don't you watch the two white men coming again to join? You see the cruise. See the cruise.
So they should stay tuned to the channel to watch it.
Yes, they should stay tuned. The performance is going to be awesome. The performance is going to be, in fact, wonderful. It's going to be great. Let me tell you, in case you don't know, Tinubu will not come back until he finishes the show. Are you getting me? He's not coming back until he finishes the show because he knew that if he should go to Finland, people will talk. That's why he chose to use France as his own base for the occasion in Finland, so that, you understand, he can turn and do the needful. You understand me? So then that is just it. It will appear obvious if Tinubu appears in Finland. You understand? So that's why you see him. He don't want to go to Finland. Rather, he prefers staying in France than get connected. You understand? For what is going on. Everybody are happy. Look at them that day. It's going to be fun. Full of fun. And I am happy the Biafrans are there to perform. Many of them, Phyno, Flavor, Psquare, and what have you. Plenty of them. And funny enough, Chioma, don't be surprised the video because Chioma is already on top there. Don't be shocked if you see the video that day. You understand? Because where there is Chioma, there must be the video. So there's every tendency of the video appearing that day. After all, president is in France, connected. The video will appear there. You understand? After all, they are all colleagues and friends. And he's a lover of the Biafran. And son-in-law. You guys understand? The video is our son-in-law. You get it now? So if he appears there, he will be highly welcome because our son is coming to celebrate with us.
But when IPOB leader Emmanuel Powerful come out say that the Finnish government to arrest everybody in that convention, that everybody in that convention are what, are sponsors of what, of terrorism here in the southeast, that they should do the needful by arrest everybody, that declaration and restoration is a complete illegal, convention, a illegal program.
Hey, I laugh some. I laugh Emma Powerful. Do you know why I'm laughing at Emma Powerful? Emma Powerful lack wisdom. He lack knowledge. He lack understanding. He lacks vision. He lacks future. Are you getting it? These are the things. He lack it. He lack principle and policy. You understand me? The shoe of Simon Ekpa was the shoe that he's supposed to occupy. But Nigerian Republic paid him money. In my powerful, you collected money and opened a phone business in Ghana. You abandon and dump your duty post.
But he has been working.
Working, yes, he has been working with Nigeria. Hello, excuse me. He has been effective working with the Nigerian politicians. People like Hope Uzodinma and Mba and the Federal Republic of Nigeria and the what have you. He has been working with them to tarnish and to make sure that he ridicule Biafra, that Biafra never stand. That's have been his mission. Him and Ngozi Nworu or whatsoever. You understand? So it's a strategy. He has been working, but negative, opposite of what Biafra is all about. You get it? Which plan and which contribution has he ever since he started collecting money from Federal Republic of Nigeria? Which impact has he played? Then if you say you are one of the IPOB, now I want to ask, which effort do you push for the release of Nnamdi Kanu? I want to know, which effort have you pushed to the release of an innocent man, innocent leader, our leader? But look at the effort of Simon Ekpa. Look at Simon Ekpa's effort that is pushing Nigeria today, even federal government, releasing the IPOB people that they kidnapped or they arrested according to them. Unknowingly to also, those ones are the ones that, you understand me? Releasing them now. Are you not seeing the impact of Simon Ekpa with what he has done? Are you not seeing it? Then now, the discussion of freedom of our leader, Nnamdi Kanu, coming December 22nd. Are you not seeing the impact of Simon Ekpa? Then which impact have you played? Am I powerful? You just power for your house. Powerful within Nigeria. Enslaving, deceiving, cheating your own blood, your own people. Why somebody is there sacrificing and paying price for the freedom of everybody, and you are here ranting. If Nigeria did not arrest those people that embrace the occasion or organize that occasion in Finland, that make the Finland what it is today. Oh yeah, you go now. Try it. If they burn you well, if you cross Aba, let me know what thing happen. They burn you well. Try it now. Why can't you? Don't should be Nigeria give you money? Ask them, make them give you more. As you betray Biafra, may you go betray your life for there. Go and sell your life for there. Whether you go come back. No ordinary co go finish you there. They're not going to even touch you. Today, the fear of Simon Ekpa is the beginning wisdom of Nigeria. The beginning of Nigerian wisdom, the fear of Simon Ekpa. What a man powerful could not do is what Simon Ekpa has done.
Because he rejected to work with Biafra.
Excuse me, who rejected? A man powerful did not reject, but he was scared. And because he was scared, he never believed in reality because he lacked vision. Are you getting it? He lacks vision. So he collected money to drop it. And someone else rejected money to carry it off. Do you know how much Nigeria sacrificed to Simon Ekpa, which he turned down? It's an honor, and that honor can never be taken away from him. It remains with him, and forever it remains. Nigerian Republic of Nigeria, Federal Republic of Nigeria knows what I am saying. They knows how extent, how far they reach with Simon Ekpa, and yet the young man refused. And I know, thank God, am I powerful that you are not the one. Because somebody like you, a betrayer like you and your partner in crime, Ejiofor, both of you, that was how Ejiofor himself betrayed Nnamdikanu, collect money from Federal Republic of Nigeria, collect money and start talking rubbish. Ejiofor, am I powerful? God will judge all of you. God will judge all of you. As you are there collecting money to betray your brothers, that is how heaven will close before you people. In the name of Jesus. You can say in the court of law, not even Nigerian judge have the capacity, you understand me, to try him because he is widely knowledge, intellectual, educated, more than Nigerian judges. Are you getting it? More than the Federal Republic of Nigerian judges. You get it? So they don't know judge in Nigeria have what that man have. None of them is as educated as him. None of them is as intellectual as him. None of them is as wise or being highly wisdom as he is. Nobody in Nigeria to compare Mazen Nnamdi. Nobody. Starting from the presidency down to the list in Nigeria. Nobody. Nobody. I repeat, nobody have the charisma of Mazen Nnamdi. Are you getting it? So him walking out the whole Africa will rejoice because the light has come to stay. And the light is coming to stand, to draw the attention of the Europeans, to give Africa their due respect, which they have lost for so many years ago. For long ago, that respect the African lost is coming out to be restored. This is Evangelist Benjamin Johnson Sinachi, the only evangelist of Biafra that speaks nothing but the truth and ready to end by it because I love speaking the truth all the time. Listen and listen good. Yeah, Bianca, the reason, let's say, leaking the secret date of Mazen Nnamdi Kanu release to Nigerians or to the public. It's not a news to me because, do you know why I say so? Because the young man have never committed any offense that's supposed to keep him up to this very moment. Are you getting it? The Nigeria, they are just, because it's an Igbo man, so they decided to just punish him unlawfully, going against his human civil rights. But because, the hatred they have for the young man, and because of what the young man stand to defend, which they don't want to hear. But I am happy that what is going on these days, the truth is actually coming out. And the truth must be restored and must be obeyed and must be honored, whether Nigeria like it or not. And I give kudos to Simon Ekpa. Do you know why I'm giving kudos to Simon Ekpa? I give kudos because if not the Simon Ekpa 1,000 wisdom which he prayed to God and God gave to him, and he used it today in Finland. Even as we are talking now, they are still in Finland. You see so many personalities, you see so many people that matters in Finland. Convention for restoration of Biafra declaration that was declared in 1967 by Ojukwu. Now, because of this convention, the fear, I believe that, the fear now have gripped Nigeria, because they never expected it like this and they never wanted it. But now they are seeing it. They are not just seeing it in the angle that we are seeing it before. They are seeing it that even the president, some representative from the House of Rep in United States of America, they are present there. Even the governor of Eritrea even had a speech, and different countries. Even Macron, the French, Michael Macron, or was so, am I right? Yeah, I'm starting to be corrected anyway. Michael Macron, the French president, even said that he has no hand in anything to do with the Biafra issue, and Simon Ekpa now that put more fears to Nigerian government. And now they are now discussing on how to release Nnamdi Kanu, probably December 22. Yes, because what Simon Ekpa has done to the world is something that they never expected. And now, as at 29, being Friday of last month, November 29, so many, both men, women, young and the old, of the Biafrans, the Nigerian government kidnapped and arrested and put in their dungeon, unknown to we, the Biafrans and the people of the land that have the right to fight for their freedom, that we are fighting, that kidnapped them. Today they have released them. Are you getting it? They have freed them because they are looking for all means to curb the movement, the length at which Simon Ekpa is going. And let me tell you, the releasing of Nnamdi Kanu is not as a result that Nigeria want to free him. They want to free him because they are scared of Simon Ekpa next step. So, and the reason Nnamdi Kanu to them now is a stepping stone. By using, they believe that when Nnamdi Kanu speaks, that Simon Ekpa will hear. So it will not escalate beyond the level they can intend to. Are you getting it? You see the reason why they want to free Nnamdi Kanu. Not that it's from their hearts. It's not in the heart of Nigeria to free Nnamdi Kanu. Because if it's from their heart, Nnamdi Kanu was supposed to be outside. Look at somebody like Sunday Igboho. Do you know that Sunday Igboho embraced the occasion in Finland? He embraced the occasion in Finland. I was shocked and I was surprised. Despite the fact that he's not an Igbo man. You get it? But shockingly to me, look at him there, walking freely. What has Nnamdi Kanu done to Nigeria? They don't want to free him. Is it not the same thing? The same agitation, the same fighting for freedom. Someone like Igbo is free. Someone like Nnamdi Kanu detained. Now, glory be to God. They want to free him. Good and fine. Good and fine. But there's something I want them to understand. Nigerians to understand. Nigeria, Federal Republic of Nigeria. Is it now you wake up from your sleep? You have failed. You will release Nnamdi Kanu because that is his conjugative right for him to have his freedom, because he offended no man. He's fighting for his right. Are you getting it? He stand on the truth and he's fighting for his right. Yes, free Nnamdi Kanu will not stop Biafra agitation. Rather, it continues. Because you people believe by kidnapping him will stop it. But now you are seeing it in another angle, even far beyond your Nigerian dreams concerning that. And for your information, coming next year, you don't know what is in the heart of Simon Ekpa. That's why they want to release Nnamdi Kanu. You get it now. They don't know the next step Simon Ekpa may come up with. That's why they are scared of Simon Ekpa. And they are very, very scared. You understand me? So let's release this man. After all, we are holding him captive, unlawfully. So let's free him. If he can talk to Simon Ekpa, because he remains the only person that can speak, we the Biafrans will listen to him. We the Biafrans will hear what he say. We the Biafrans will obey him, including Simon Ekpa. You see why they want to free him? Not that they intend to, but they want, because of the fear of what comes next. Remember, Donald Trump is coming up next year, January to be precise, into the office. You know, and somebody like that, you know, Donald Trump is Mr. Knows Nonsense. So now all these things are the things that is putting fear in Nigeria. You understand me? That makes them, okay, let us free these people. After all, we hold them unlawfully.
confirm say that Bianca that although she has vowed to make sure that Tinubu release Nnamdi Kanu.
Yes.
But is it that but some people are saying that if it doesn't come to fruition that Tinubu doesn't want to see release Nnamdi Kanu, do you see her resigning?
For now, I don't know. I am not Bianca. Neither am I in her mind. But let me tell you, for your information, first and foremost, the purpose by which she was given that appointment, she did not achieve it. For your information, I'm speaking from the right source. She didn't actually get it. She didn't actually give it to Nigeria. How do I mean? She was given that appointment so that she can lobby with Simon Ekpa and stop this convention. But instead of her doing that, she backed out while Simon Ekpa succeeded in what he planned to do. That even today, both Psquare, everybody all over the world, you know, in fact, both to the former Pentagon officer in USA, you know, in Oslo, Norway, even France, Tokyo, Turkey, that is from Turkey, you know, from Russia. In fact, every corner filled up, everywhere. People came from different countries to embrace the occasion. So because of this, so now Bianca now is now telling you I will do this. If she resign after being maybe Nigeria disappointing, she may choose to resign because, for your information, before the appointment, she has been part of the people pressing buttons for the release of Nnamdi Kanu, because the spirit of her husband is living inside her. Are you getting it? She knows, and she heard about the Biafran this thing, and her husband have explained to her before leaving the departing from this earth. Her husband have explained. She is aware of everything. Nothing is hidden before her. No secret before her. She has every details, document concerning the regard to this, and that is why if Nigeria at the end of the day disappoint her, so I don't know, because I am not Bianca. She's in this position to answer that, to know what to do, whether to resign or to continue.
Okay, but do you not think that December 22 as the alleged purported date for Nnamdi Kanu release, do you think that this will bring a massive joy to the people of Nigeria and most importantly people of the South?
It will bring joy.
Africa at large.
It will bring joy, not just only to Nigeria, because the release of him will not bring only joy to Nigeria. Why I said to Nigeria is this: they are not releasing him because they intend to. They are releasing him based on some conditions or the issues they have met. Are you getting it? They are seeing that it's flying now, moving, which they are scared of. The next by next year, what may come. They may not really have joy on their side as 100%, but they will have joy. There will be joy in the southeast, because our leader, being our president, like I said before, our president. He stands as a president, while Simon Ekpa is the governor. Are you getting it? So the president is returning home. Okay, there will be a serious joy in southeast, the Biafra land. Two, there will be joy in Africa at large. How do I mean? The truthful person, another Nelson Mandela, is having his freedom. Are you getting it? Another man with a wonderful vision is having his freedom. The sunlight which darkness of Nigeria intend to cover have superseded Nigeria, is coming freely. Are you getting it? So the knowledge, the man that is that is knowledgeable than Nigeria as a whole is coming out. Why did I say so? You can say in the court of law, not even Nigerian judge have the capacity, you understand me, to try him, because he is widely knowledge, intellectual, educated, more than Nigerian judges. Are you getting it? More than the Federal Republic of Nigerian judges. You get it? So they don't know judge in Nigeria have what that man have. None of them is as educated as him. None of them is as intellectual as him. None of them is as wise or being highly wisdom as he is. Nobody in Nigeria to compare Mazen Nnamdi Kanu. Nobody. Starting from the presidency down to the list in Nigeria. Nobody. Nobody. I repeat, nobody have the charisma of Mazen Nnamdi Kanu. Are you getting it? So him walking out the whole Africa will rejoice, because the light has come to stay. And the light is coming to stand, to draw the attention of the Europeans, to give Africa their due respect, which they have lost for so many years ago. For long ago, that respect the African lost is coming out to be restored. To be restored.
Now you're not looking at it from the aspect of the economy.
There
in the southeast.
The economy, there is something you don't understand. The southeast have not seen nor suffered what they have suffered during the war and after the war, civil war. Are you getting it? I don't think there is any experience new to the southeastern people now, because after the war that started in 1967, that ended up in 1970, all the Biafrans, the surviving ones, all of them have millions, trillions, billions in account. But Federal Republic of Nigeria collided with the UK, the British. They siphoned that our father's money. Are you getting it? They siphoned our daddy's money, our father's money, our parents' money, and they only ended up in giving them ordinary 20 pounds. You get it? But with that 20 pounds, they explode to where they are today after some few years, which nobody, no tribe in this country have ever had such experience. So I don't see this thing of how many days that you say is affecting them. Rather, it will give a plus. I still stand on my word. I never go back, and I still stand with every 100% confidence. Just give us Biafra. Watch Biafra in the next 10, 20 years. You can never, and you will never travel to UK. You will never travel to America. You can never struggle to Canada any longer, because Biafra will give you that which you are looking in Sokoto, because it's here in Sokoto.
But so what's your take as regards with we heard the news yesterday that Finland rejects bail for Simon Ekpa. What's your reaction to that? We saw the news it's the internet yesterday, that or day for yesterday rather, that Ekpa bail was rejected.
Excuse me. First and foremost, before you begin flying news, get the concrete news.
So what's the concrete news?
The concrete news here is Ekpa was never been arrested, for your information. 2, Ekpa have not appeared based on Finland constitution. Are you getting it? Ekpa is freely in his house.